Okay, so MIUI 13 is around the corner. If you don't know, MIUI 13 could be released in August 2021. A lot of things are already released, like the MIUI 13 file manager. We have now MIUI 13 boot menu, which seems to be MIUI 13 boot menu, a MIUI 13 boot animation. Not everyone is sure about that. I am also not sure about this, but this is the new boot animation which they released with the new flagship series. Like Mi 11 devices got this official boot animation. We've also installed it on our device, but if you don't have Mi 11, you can also install this boot animation. But how to do that? We have two methods available for that. First one is a Magisk module, second one is do manually. So both of the methods I want to share with you in this video, so stay tuned for that. We have already applied the Magisk module till now, and let me just show you that how is the boot animation going on. If you don't know, in MIUI 12.5 or 12.6 it will stuck at boot logo for a lot of seconds, which is actually quite weird, but yes, it is, especially in my Redmi Note 8. This is one of those issues. So let's just see, this is the boot animation, which honestly is not good in my opinion. It's not good, but this might be the MIUI 13 official MIUI 13 boot animation. A lot of things are already coming on, so this one would be one of those things. We have this MIUI 13 new boot animation available for you. As I previously mentioned, I've installed it from Magisk. I'm using the latest Magisk version, Magisk 23 here, and this is the boot animation which I was talking about. New boot animation V1 by Xiaomi UI. New MIUI boot animation. All the credits goes to its developer. I always mention this, so just don't complain this. I have just restored my default boot animation here. As you can see, just restored my default boot animation. This is the default boot animation which you get in all your Xiaomi devices right now, but the new MIUI 13 boot animation you can install very easily. As I previously mentioned you, I've installed it from that Magisk module. You have two methods available for you. If you want to use the Magisk module method, you can use that one. Both of the files link is in the description. If you want to install from Magisk, you can. If you want to install manually, just watch and wait and watch this video till the end. You will find that how you can install manually. First of all, if you want to install from Magisk, let me just talk about the first one, which is called Magisk module. Simply move on here. You'll find a lot of modules. Of course, these are of no use at all, so I'll not recommend you to use any one of this module does these modules, or this store does not have enough modules. We have this third-party module, so what you need to click is click on install from storage. Here you will find the module. If you have downloaded this one, we have the first one called boot animation Magisk module, which is actually around only 70 KB, which is quite weird, but yes, it is. We have just rebooted, it was working fine. The second method is we need to use Mi Explorer. The link for this app is also in the description. We have called boot animation.zip. We have this file already downloaded. It's about 70 KB, as I previously mentioned you. You need to grant the root permission to this. Go to your system. You need to locate the file media. Then here you will find the boot animation.zip. So what you need to do is, let me just tell you one more thing. If you move on to the media, you can backup boot animation.zip, and this is the main thing you need to keep in mind. If the something goes wrong, it's better to take backup. So we have backed up the default boot animation. Select this file, paste it in the system. Media is the destination where you want to paste. It will ask you to replace, so just replace it. You're good to go. And after that, you need to grant this permission like 644, which is called RWRR. If you're using this file manager which I'm using right now, which is called Mi Explorer, you don't need to do that. But if you're using any other file manager, here you see the permissions option, and make sure these permissions are ticked on RWRR. This is the main thing which you need to do. If you did this, then everything will go perfectly fine. But yes, if you did something wrong, you might get break, or you might get some other issues. So I'm not responsible for anything happen to your device. If you follow the on-screen guide, you will not face issues. But if you skip any part of the video and you're getting any kind of issues, any kind of trouble, I'm not responsible for anything happen to your device. And this was very easy. These are two methods so which you can apply this new MIUI 13 file manager, MIUI 13 boot animation. If you want to install this, link for both of the files is in the description. Let me just reboot, and this is how we are just rebooting our device. So let me just show you that how it will boot, or if it will boot, because it should boot. Okay, this is all from today's video. I hope you like this. If you like this, don't forget to like and share this video. As I previously mentioned, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
edge. Feel like I'm floating through the air.